to start.
Money to start.
What's it called?
Capital.
Capital.
Capital. Capital. Capital. Start money, profit. Money growing, loss. Money shrinking, capital. Profit, loss. That's how business goes.
I have 5 coins in my hand.
5 coins.
That's my capital to start my stand.
Start the stand.
I use my coins to buy some juice.
Buy the juice. Capital is what we use. Capital, start money. Profit, money growing, loss. Money shrinking, capital. Profit, loss. That's how business goes. Capital, start money. Profit, money growing, loss. Money shrinking, capital. Profit, loss. That's how business goes. Capital. Capital.
I sell juice for 10 coins today.
10 coins.
I only spend 5 on the way.
5 coins.
More came in than what I paid.
Money grew. That's a profit that I made. Capital, start money. Profit, money growing, loss. Money shrinking, capital. Profit, loss. That's how business goes. Capital, start money. Profit, money growing, loss. Money shrinking, capital. Profit, loss. That's how business grows. Capital. Capital.
If I spend 10 coins to start,
10 coins.
but only earn 2 from my cart,
2 coins.
less came back than what I spent.
Uh-oh, that's a loss we learn again. Loss, money shrinking. Capital, capital, start money. Profit, money growing, loss. Money shrinking, capital. Profit, loss, we can try again. Capital, start money. Profit, money growing, loss. Money shrinking, capital. Profit, loss, we can try again. Capital. Capital, profit, loss, that's how business grows.
All right, Scoopy Kids, we just sang about capital, profit, and loss. But what does that look like? Let us put it to practice. Today, Maya and Lulu are starting a slime shop. Maya, how many coins did you have to begin?
I have 10 coins same.
Those 10 coins are called capital. Capital is the money you start with. Say capital.
Capital.
Maya, after selling slime, how many coins did you earn?
We earned 15 coins.
You started with 10 coins. You earned 15 coins. That means you made 5 extra coins. That is called profit. Profit means your money grew.
Profit means we earn more than we spent.
Exactly.
Profit.
Now let's imagine something different. If you spent 10 coins, but only earned 5 coins back, that means you lost 5 coins. That is called loss.
Loss means we earn less than we spent.
Yes, loss helps us learn and try again. Capital is what you start with. Profit is when money grows. Loss is when money shrinks. Smart Scoopy Kids understand all 3.
Capital, profit, loss.